foodies! Welcome back to Cook with Puneet, where vegetarian food is made easy. Today we'll be making Aloo Poha Tikkis in an air fryer. And don't worry, if you don't have an air fryer, I'll also show you how to make it without. This video falls under our Requested by You series, and this request came all the way from Australia, from Rupinder. So if you would like to follow along, please continue watching. For this recipe, we'll need 1 cup of poha. I'm using 3 potatoes, shredded carrots, 1 medium-sized tomato, bell peppers, 1 medium-sized onion, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 jalapeno, cilantro, Red Chili Flakes, Kitchen King Masala, and salt to taste. Start off by washing our poha. Next, I move the poha into a bowl, and I'm just gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water in it, just because we want it to be a little damp, and we'll let it sit there for about 15 minutes. And every few minutes, just take a spoon and mix the poha around so it's evenly soaked. And now we're ready to mix our ingredients. So I took my boiled potatoes and I'll mash them by hand. Next, I'll add in the poha. And then onions. And tomatoes, my bowl fell in there. Carrots. Bell peppers. Jalapenos. Cilantro. Green chilies. 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of red chili flakes, and 1 spoon of Kitchen King Masala. And next we're just gonna mix that all together. We're ready to put our tikkis together, so I just took some oil on the palm of my hand, grabbed some mixture, and started to make it into a circular shape. One thing to keep in mind when forming the tikkis is you want to make sure that they're as tight as possible, so really squeeze in the edges. Once our tikkis are formed, I'm just gonna take our air fryer and put some oil on the base of it. You can use a cooking oil spray, but I didn't have it. Next, I just brushed some oil on top of our tikkis and placed them in the air fryer. And I'm just gonna pop it in the air fryer at 200 temperature for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'm just gonna take the tikkis and flip them onto the other side for another 5 minutes. I'm also gonna show you how to make them without using the air fryer, so if you would like to follow along, please continue watching. So I do like to use these tikkis in my bread, burger, or have it on the side with the salad, so my shapes do vary. So I'm just gonna show you a couple of other shapes to make. And this is for a sub bread, so I'm just making them a little bit longer. So to make it without an air fryer, I just take a pan and I'll put some oil in it. So I'll just spread the oil around with the brush and place my tikkis in the pan. I made some small ones so you can compare how they look against the air fryer tikkis. After about 7 to 8 minutes, you can flip your tikkis. My stove was on medium to high heat, and after another 6 to 8 minutes, your tikkis should be ready. I wanted to show you how the air fryer tikkis look when they're opened. And this is how I put it in my sub. So if you enjoyed today's video, please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I post videos weekly, so if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. My socials are at Cook with Puneet. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care.